Valley. Okay, we're going to show the villa.
Welcome.
And thank you. And we're gonna get their first reaction.
Wow, thank
Okay,
you.
please come in.
Wow.
Guys, we are here in this beautiful restaurant by the lake. And it's so beautiful. Look at so much color. So much color, my mom.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So cool.
Finally, we are here at Heaven Gate. At Mohon Untok Antri.
It's a gate to heaven.
Sorry, Gate to Heaven. Heaven Gate. So we can see a lot of people are waiting here to take a video, to be their turn. You know, that Pinterest photo that everyone does is actually, this is behind the scene. Look at this. Hi, mommy. Look, you have to fall in line.
Guys.
Where are we?
We are in gate to heaven.
We're going to take photo here, and everybody here is going to watch us while taking photo and videos. It's so cold. I'm going to take videos of these beautiful mummies right now while waiting to be our turn. It's so cold, and look what I'm wearing. Oh my god. I asked them that there is no rain or whatever. They said there is no rain. Full of people. Mama, are you ready?
Yes.
How about you, Team Shamsi? Did you practice your pose?
My mom practiced. Mama, what is your pose?
Pose, auntie?
Like I'm jumping.
Why did you bring your
How about
bike?
you?
Huh? Take picture from
She's the mom. I mean, how about you? What is your pose?
My phone?
Yeah. This is your pose, Mama. You're so serious. So come forward and then bechar. Yeah, like a yoga, like this. Ooh, like that. Yeah, like that. Free yourself. Free yourself. Yes. That's how you.
I'm falling.
That's how you free yourself. How about you, auntie? Yeah, one more. No, you're looking at me. You have to look up.
1, 2, 3. Hello, welcome to the gates of heaven.
So we are just done with the video or picture taking. There was drama behind the video. My mom jumped from there to here and she fell, and her Gucci shade helped her, right? Yeah. So how do you feel, auntie?
Happy.
Happy? How do you feel, mommy?
Awesome.
Awesome. How about you?
happily awesome.
I feel my heart is full because I'm here with my mothers. Yay. Next destination is Waterfall.
Wow.
Don't fall, mommy. Go. Be careful. This one. Yes. Careful. Very good. Be careful. It's raining so hard. Oh my god.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
So We came here for 3 hours drive. After 3 hours drive, we are stuck here right now. We wanna go and hike and see the waterfall, but we are here waiting under this small shelter.
If we're going to go, we have to go now.
You have to buy those coats because we came with summer clothes. I even wear swimsuit.
Me too.
Yeah. So I guess we are going then. We're gonna hike. Bye. Mom, wait. Look at silver team. Hey, silver team. And our gold is auntie. Everybody say hi, guys, at the back. Yay! Let's see the waterfall. Look at the view, guys. Beautiful. Wow. Yes, you can have a photo. Super beautiful. Look at the air. So nice. So we're like the lowest part right now of the mountain, and we saw this beautiful river. And the good thing is there's also something here that we can drink, and there are fresh fruits as well. Our moms are down there and they're enjoying. They're eating and resting time. Can't believe I'm here. Everything is so beautiful. What is this?
Snack skin fruit.
So
Skin
cool.
snack fruit. Because the skin similar snack, right?
Yeah, so nice. We're going to try this passion fruits. How to eat this? How to open it? Wow, like this. Thank you. Passion fruit. Beauty. You like it?
Passion fruit.
So yummy.
Passion fruit.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this?
Mango stick, best fruit for my favorite.
Oh, so sweet. Let us try the best mangosteen from the forest. Let's see how it's the different.
Churro mangosteen. So it must be tastier.
Is it delicious?
Yummy.
You enjoy it, Maman?
Really, I enjoy the passion fruit, really. This is the best thing that ever happened to me in Bali, eating the passion fruit.
In the middle of jungle, forest,
That's 550 stairs going down.
below. Thank you. Thank you. We are moving again, going to the waterfall. I never seen waterfall in my whole life. This is gonna be my first. Actually, my first waterfall inside of a jungle. Because before we watched waterfall in
Yeah.
Korea.
Also in Laguna.
Yeah,
With your dad.
oh my god, yeah. But I think this is the only time I'm really appreciating it because we are in the middle of the jungle. It's like we are in the core of earth. Oh my god, look at the trees. Okay, we are here. The group. How do you feel?
So good. I wanted to really cry when I saw the waterfall. I really saw the greatness of God in there. So good.
Power
So
of God.
good.
How about you, Auntie? How do you feel?
I see the power of God. I'm very thankful for everything He created.
How about you, my beautiful?
Heavenly.
Heavenly. Yeah, you look like a heaven. You look like an angel now. And guys, they're drinking coffee. Is the best way to energize again. I gotta tell how I feel far away from our moms because they are so happy and energized and they keep on talking about it. For me also, I felt like crying and I literally cried and cried, especially after seeing the tree of life. I was like crying. I was like, I saw you. I met you before. And it was a great experience that I have this together with my moms, of course, and my love of my life. I can't believe it. Like, guys, there are a lot of parts here. Even the waterfall, even the trees, the jungle itself, the river. There are parts that you cannot imagine. I mean, parang is like we cannot put it in the photos or we cannot put it in the videos. It's not the beauty of it, the depth of how we feel. We cannot put it here, but I know that you guys can feel us, and you know that's why we want to share this with you guys. Oh my God, Glammers! Is this our last stop?
I don't know, maybe because it's already 5 o'clock.
Okay, if this is our last stop, so this is it, Glammers. This is our journey here, second day in Bali with our mothers and bonding with them. I am personally very happy that we were able to bring them to this beautiful place, experience the activity while they are very healthy and we are also very healthy.
Yeah.
And thank God for that, thank universe for that, and yeah, speechless.
And now we have to climb up.
And it's still gonna be easy because we have each other. Love you, Glammers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love, love, love from Bali. Bye! Paalam!
Alam.
You did it!
We made it!
Champion.
I came ahead.
Yeah.
I think an hour, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
almost an hour.
Yeah, 1 hour. My mommy was here. Super fast, like a light.